What's up, YouTube? I want to review Curve by Liz Claiborne, it's really a 90s scent. It was definitely very hot back in that time. Like, everybody wanted to wear this stuff. And now, honestly, it's a victim of its own success. I mean, it smells really nice and it has a lot of appeal with the younger crowd, but it's still, to me, it smells a little bit lacking. Like, it's a very nice, bright citrus, but it's not the most unique fragrance. I mean, it's good for a younger person, but an older person that actually collects cologne will probably find this to be synthetic. And so, first of all, if you're going to spray this on, you're going to get some kind of a bright citrus top. Now, this may be a little synthetic for some people, but, the good thing about this is we have a little bit of lemon, but we balance the lemon out with pineapple in this fragrance to keep it from being too sour. And the juniper berries do a great job. The lavender kind of gives some freshness. And, the neroli and the violet and a lot of the florals in this do a good job with the other notes. But as it dries down, you have some coriander and cardamom and ginger and sage. And, the coriander in this actually does give just a slight orange odor. I mean, it does. A lot of those spices can actually work very well with fruit, and sometimes you can't even tell which one's which. And so in this fragrance, they definitely were a hit. And in the base, now this is why Curve is very popular. Like, this does kind of have a very fresh citrus top, but instead of just dissipating off somebody's skin and leaving just a straight musk like all the other scents did, they basically put some sandalwood and mahogany and vetiver and gave it a nice woodsy dry down, and it gave it kind of an edge, and that's what really made it appealing. And I mean, there is musk in this fragrance, but the musk is undertone. It's not like a in your face kind of body spray musk, and there is some pepper and amber, but the amber warms it up. And when you get amber and vetiver and sandalwood, you really do have some sweetness in this fragrance. And overall Curve, to me, it's very youthful. That's basically the way to sum it up. Like, if you're 15 to 25, I would definitely recommend this. You probably want to get the 4-ounce bottle. You can find testers online, really good price. It's definitely a good buy if you want to wear some to class. I would definitely say, like, if you're going to apply this, boom, 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 boom. Like, the neck and behind the ears is where you want to apply it. I mean, you want to wear this kind of light because it does project. But, it's a good fragrance. It really will get you compliments. Now, honestly, I'm going to say these compliments are probably more likely from a younger person, but you can impress some older people wearing this. I mean, Curve, honestly, was a big hit back in the 90s because it was a little bit more to a fragrance than just like your typical CK1 and the skin scents that basically stayed very unisex. I mean, it had kind of a unisex feel, but this stuff really kind of builds on. And so Curve is classic. I mean, I'm honestly not going to buy it again because I already had it, but it's definitely something you want to look into. If you like unisex smells, kind of fresh stuff, CK1 may be a good option. If you like this kind of bright floral freshness, with some citrus and some woods and a lot of different ingredients, you might like Thallium Sport too. And, I mean, Curve is kind of along the lines of Aeropostale 87 and Fierce Cologne. I mean, they all have that kind of sweet freshness to it that really makes it nice. So, basically, that's my review. And, you got to dissect these fragrances. Like, honestly, Curve does have a lot of good ingredients in it for a fresh, cheap fragrance. And that's why it really became popular, because they took a lot of stuff and actually got it just right, and so they ended up with a sleeper. The thing about it, though, is that now you have 15-year-olds and 90-year-olds and everybody wearing this fragrance. So it's so common that there's probably going to be something else you like better.